And hello everyone. You're watching Tom's Hardware, and today we're here to talk about some amazing printers and 3D printing products from Creality. It's a company that has been hard at work for 9 years, and today we're going to talk about the exciting new offerings that the company unveiled during its anniversary event. Let's dive in. First, we have the K1 series flagship printer, nicknamed the King of Speed. This enclosed Core XY machine has speeds up to 600 mm per second and an acceleration rate of up to 20,000 mm/s2. There will be two sizes available, with the K1 Max offering a build volume of 300 by 300 by 300 mm. This amazing speed is possible via a new 2-core 1.2 GHz CPU for robust computing power that allows for the 3D printing of larger objects. Plus, it has a plethora of sensors and automatic aids. Next is the Hallett Mage Smart Resin 3D printer. This awesome machine has a convenient flip-top lid and a Dynax motion system that will advance layers in 1.2 seconds. It boasts a large 10.3-inch 8K LCD screen and a new Integral Light Source 3.0. Additionally, users can access it remotely with Wi-Fi or an RJ45 cable. It has smart features like an automatic resin pump, air purifier, and replaceable activated carbon filter. Creality is also introducing its industrial Sermon D3 Pro printer with dual extruders that allow it to print with different filaments, such as specialized support materials and the ability to print with BASF metal filament. This is made possible with the company's new update of Creality Print, which is designed for the K1 to make 3D printing more efficient. With the Falcon 240-watt laser, users can cut through 20 mm of wood or thin stainless steel, plus it supports color engraving. Creality also has a new handheld, color 3D scanner, the CR Scan Ferret. They're also introducing the Creality Nebula Pad Plus AI LiDAR, an optional interface which fits onto a 3D printer like the Sonic Pad, giving the machine extra speed and aiding the leveling process via an AI LiDAR. Finally, the company is introducing something that's sure to excite a lot of people: 3D printed footwear. Creality has created a professional-grade Sprite extruder specifically designed to handle soft materials, and they're making it available to fashion enthusiasts and medical institutions who need custom orthotic insoles. As you can see, Creality has truly outdone itself with its 3D printing technology, and we can't wait to see what else they have in store. If you're interested, the pre-sale for the K1 series flagship printer has already begun, and Tom's Hardware will be providing a more in-depth review once it's available. So, stay tuned. 3D printing is about to get a whole lot faster, smarter and better. This is Tom's Hardware. See you soon.